I been doing some research lately. I want another project for us to work on up here, and this is what I found. We up here at the wash. I been doing some research lately. I want another project for us to work on up here, and this is what I found. I want to do something different than what we always do. I went and bought a 2000 Toyota Celica. Not bad. It's decent. A little stick shift, you know. 3 pedals. Do something. Got some. Apparently it is the higher model. But first wash, man, it's pretty dirty. You guys can see this, but everything on here is pretty much stock, pretty much paint and all kind of stuff. That is not mine. Not mine. Gotta get some tires. Found some rims and tires. I'm gonna go check them out. Got some damage here. I like it. Something fun, something different. We here wanna have fun for the most part, I think. Do our thing. So we gonna see what happens. What it looked like after we watched it. It's been sitting on the street for about 2 years now. The guy drove it, like every now and then he would move it from one side of the street to the other. But he was pissed. He just lost his sticker too. He was like, God damn it, I just updated the registration. But yeah, we're gonna see how this turn out after we watch it. Alright, so it's all cleaned up. Let's check them out. Ain't too bad. It ain't all that great though. A lot of Wear and tear is what we'll call it. Wear and tear. Got this thing. Gotta tell me this like some kind of special order item. Something that's hard to get. Yeah. We're gonna take this off. Get something else back there. The roof. This is what I don't like. I hate it. It's horrible. Paint. It's like all gone, man. So I'm not gonna deal with the paint job. We're just gonna do a wrap. Gotta replace the headlights. They're like yeah. Yeah, it's been like a couple weeks. I'm not gonna lie. I just washed it today though, but all this stuff was here. Oh yeah, it's this thing over here too. It's here. I noticed it in the photo. In the mirrors. So we're gonna go with a wrap. Gonna change out the wing. So changing out the wheels, suspension, everything. From coilovers.
Yeah, we're gonna do coilovers. See, they're adjustable. You can see right there. And then we're gonna put these on the back so we can adjust those and make them lean. And then we're gonna change out that little shifty thing on the inside and make it new. And we got options though, A or B. And then we're gonna get one of these things to make the inside look good. And then we're gonna get one of these things, but it's pretty expensive, so we'll have to wait on that. But I think we're gonna get a boat. Yeah, let's go buy a boat. Drive slow buys a boat. Yeah, next season we're gonna get us a boat. Check us out online. Check out our Instagram. Yeah, 10 more seasons. We're gonna do this thing, get us a boat. We're gonna build this, and then we still got the GTO, and we got the truck, and we got the Impala. We got all sorts of stuff going on over here. You gotta subscribe so you can keep up with it.